I'm going to talk about the gain amount when we bend a 90 degree. So when we use 3/4 IMT conduit, the gain amount is 3 inches and a quarter. So in this case I have the leg is 48 inches and a half to the back side of the 90 here, and the stub is 14 inches and 3/4. Adding those two numbers together, I get 63 inches and a quarter, but I have to subtract the 3 inches and a quarter, so the conduit length is 60 inches. So I'm gonna mark the conduit and bend it. So I have marked the conduit, the vertical length, which is 14 3/4, and then 14 3/4 is right here. Now from here I have to measure 6 inches going back, because I'm going to use the arrow. So this will be the bending mark. This one I'm gonna mark. So this is the only mark I need for this 90 to be specifically 14 3/4 and 48.5 inches long, the horizontal part. So the arrow is lined up with a mark. I'm going to bend a knife here. So that's what it is. As I said, the 48.5 is in the back side of the 90, and the 14 3/4 in the bottom of the 90.